In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on your Trust Wallet app using your credit card. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we want to do is open up our Trust Wallet app as we normally would. Now, once we're here, we want to click on the Bitcoin. It should be on the home tab. If you can't find it, just click on search and type in BTC and then click into Bitcoin BTC. And in order to purchase Bitcoin with your credit card, we need to go ahead and click on buy, choose the right amount, choose what country or the currency you want to use. So if you want to use America, click on USD, Euro, etc., AUD. For this demonstration, I'm going to do AUD. It's all the same. And at the moment, I've already set it to buy with credit card. So if it doesn't say credit card of you, click on to right under with the payment method, click into here, and then it will say pay with. And you might be set on Google Pay or bank transfer. Go ahead and click on credit card. Then from here, you need to choose your provider. So you got Bank, BNXA, Transact, MoonPay, Simplex. You can use any one of these, but they say this one's recommended by Banxa, so I'm going to click onto that one. Now from here, it will take me back to where I can purchase, and I can change the amount if I want of Bitcoin. So if I want to do, say, $250 of AUD, I'm going to click 250 and then click on buy with credit card. And now this is going to transfer me to BankXA to continue the purchase. So I need to go through this. I might need to create an account with BankXA. I haven't got one yet. So yeah, create the account and then continue on with the purchase using your credit card.